Just a quick video just to show you my new lights. I've got my 600 watt there, and I've just got these twin batten jobbies, LEDs, trying to save a bit of money on the electric bills. As you can see, everything's coming along a treat. Geraniums, these are my delphiniums, my poppies at the back there, begonias. So these, I got these two, I think it was £61.98 from the lamp shop online. Really good value. As you can see, I'm not paying for expensive chains and that, just temporary string and rope, just as long as I can keep altering the height. So I'm hoping with the 600 watt in here that it'll keep it warm at the night time, so if we get any frost, it'll keep it at bay. I'm expecting them to stop growing a little bit now they've come out into the greenhouse, so it's been a bit colder. So I'll be fitting the rest of the plants in today, then putting some more on. So this is my greenhouse this winter. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like, give me a thumbs up and click subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye.